message in Wetara saying that Ebuka Obi was attacked. Brother Ebuka was not attacked in any way. It is the handwork of the evil ones. He was not attacked. Anything. Ogara Enambra Nudo Mepe psychiatric home here and old people's home. Ogara Nudo La Nudo. Anybody na wish him mad evil, Oga Biaria. Onya kia di ochane enwe ihe o mere gị gị na-achụgharị ya. Gị na-emeri ya nyukwu. Oga biara gị. Is about back to sender.
Ekenekwa ngị Igbo ndị mana ege m ntị. Biko na ama m that short video na eketa. Yes. Madam Mario si ka o tinye ọnụ na that trending issue na-aga on na social media. Because na he push go narrative, for that narrative did not work. And kwaya for no work or but use their social media influencers can push can castigate Ebuka Obi me na Anambra State to work or the next thing has yes na emele attack. Na ndị unknown government jikwa we me attack jikwa we me yan cause. Kedebe we me na kezeba na me attack ombo ya na governor so. Kombo ya na Peter Obi so. Ko mbo no na plane. Because I don't really understand what is the problem of it. And also I want you to pay attention to Mother Mario also. She spoke exclusively to the haters of the body of Christ and the church. Uno like Ramado. Then why are you always coming to that person's page? Why are you always coming to that person's channel? See, if I don't like you, I will block you. If I don't like you and I don't have any important thing to learn from you. Because nobody in a phone. Okay, on go against what you believe in. If you don't have what to learn from that person, you block the person. Most people are happy when blue course. No one there are so many type of course inherited course. Two, three, and then self-inflicted cause. Whereby in the sense that na je meto onye na kwesịrị meto aka weto na we signal mandana tarege na mma akwa for come rain consum downward stance, especially obo na that person tologato, especially also go abulu no 2 years, 1 year, 1 month, 1 day we togato. It stands because as long as this earth is concerned, the person boguzo zotoko no one, and according to the law that is binding this earth, Bible says, in as much as the earth remaineth, there will always be a planting season and a harvesting season. So why call that in now? You must reap what you sow. That is justice. Because so many people need book course and especially self-inflicted causes on their life. So pay attention at this video, Mother Mario.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. How are you? Yeah. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for following me. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for loving me for real. You see, I titled this talk, I said, you don't like us. Yet you're always in our pages and status looking for what? If you don't like somebody, why are you following the person? You see, all the time people will just a kind of cut some videos or some species of Brother Ebuka Obi and send to me, hey, see what your brother said today. Oh, now wow, you know, they start condemning. And the question I will ask them, I say, how did you manage to see this? That means you are following him. That means you are Zionites. If you are always following somebody, whether it doesn't matter your intention. Because some are following just to find fault, to discover, you know, one thing or the other. then you spend all your time watching somebody just because you want to find fault. You leave what you're doing, following somebody. Whenever that person opens mouth on Facebook, on TikTok, or anywhere, you want to listen so that you can carry your false rumor, your false accusations. If you don't like me, well, what are you doing in my page? Are you looking for your mother or your father? What are you doing? If you don't like any man of God, what are you doing in that person's page? Pass and go. It sounds funny sometimes. And guess what? I told people, and I'm serious about this. If you want me to join you, if you want me to join you in condemning Ebuka Obi, just try and prove to me that he is God. If you prove to me that Ebuka Obi is God, then I will join you. I will join to support you, because it is only God that cannot make mistake. It is only God that is a perfect man. So any day you prove to me that he is God, I'll join you in condemning him. But as long as you didn't prove to me that he's God, you're wasting your time. Stop sending me all those nonsense messages and videos. And even you, that's why I'm asking you people, Onye di manazu, who is good? Uchenna Osmond Ugochukwu, my question is, are you good at your back? Is it everybody that knows you in this world that knows you as a good man? Manifera demon. But on social media on our show. Because of social media, even people who cannot talk to you on the road will talk to you. Oye guru egwu ogorosi, asi na obughị nsogbu ụwa amacha m ndị nkacha mma. Ama m promota ka ọ dị onye guru egwu ahụ. Asi na obughị nsogbu ụwa amacha m ndị nkacha mma. So, ozuko gị, ozuko hawu, ozuko unu condemner. Ozuko, all of you that always fake accounts to come and comment nonsense, to come and insult. Ebelem na de mechara ha maka the moment I for her na ha anya block ha. And that block oge itabakwa ahu imepe another page. Iji abi ime insult. And ibia ịgbawa shonu. So ekwuchakwa nam. Okay? Prove to me that he is God. And prove to me that you, who is a condemner, is a perfect person. Prove to me that you are the best. Then I will listen to you and follow you. Makiho ọtụtụ n'ime unu bụ do as I say, but not as I do. Omume unu na-eshishi ishi. I'm telling you, many of you condemners, gossipers, your character smells. Ọ na-eshi ka ozu rere ere. eme nke a kịta ihe ọ bịa na peji m ime kịta wụ to condemn Mother Mary. Uchenna Osmond Ugochukwu, just why he left whatever he's supposed to be doing now. Amam ihe ọ na-arụ, amam ihe ọ na-eme, achọkwana m ịma. But ma o nwee ihe ọzọ ịlalụba ụla, he ji akpofu data kịta to come and condemn Mother Mary. Virgin Mary, the mother of Christ, on my page. If one ahụ adịrị ya, onde dịka gị ka anyị wee rụọ psych hospital ahụ arụrụ, so that ya enidere ịgwọ gị. Maka ụfọdụ ndị nwere psych issue without knowing. Ọ bụ n'obodo oyibo afụ ha sign ya ebido nyebe onye ọwa ọgwụ, mana ụlọ until mmadụ apụ afịa adama no setigo. Ọtụtụ n'ime unu na-eme ihe na social media echiri arụ. O nwere onye isi dị mma ga na blackmail mmadụ. Nwere onye isi dị mma ga na-eji mmadụ agba ashịrị. O nwere onye isi dị mma ga na-achụ ụzọ o ji destroy ibie, ga na-eme anya ukwu. So ganu lebara onwe unu anya. Ga na-ebere onwe gị anya. Ọ dịkwa mma o. Eteta m ụra n'ụtụtụ a wee fụ ebe mmadụ dere ya news na ejikwa wee mee Ebuka Obi attack. Chineke. So what do you want to achieve by that news that he was attacked? What do you want to achieve? Is it that you are wishing him evil? Or you want to scare people who will be coming home for the 100 days? 3 days, end of 100 days. Anyway, you know Zion is unstoppable. Ihe ụfọdụ nọ ọ bakwa life ọzọ ka anyị cheke n'ihe o kwuru okwuola ọzọ, ka anyị cheke nke o kwuru ọzọ. Ọ bụ na ihe ụfọdụ dị mma ya. Not to thank you for touching souls, not to thank you for what you are doing for God. All they want is okwuokwa n'ọzọ. Ọ sị gịnị? O nwere ike sị gị na onye sister kwesịrị ịpụta na social media. Na mmiri nke a na-ezokwa tata ka ife anyị akpọ ya dịka winter ka anyị na-abanye ife a. Ọ dịkwa egwu. Okay, I'll call it a day. Biko disregard any message in Wetara saying that Ebuka Obi was attacked. Brother Ebuka was not attacked in any way. It is the handwork of the evil ones. He was not attacked. Anything. Ogara Anambra Nudo Mepe psychiatric home here and old people's home. Ogara Nudo La Nudo. Anybody na wish mad evil, ọ ga-abịara ya. Onye aka dị ọcha na-enwe ihe o mere gị, gị na-achụgharị ya, gị na-emeri ya anya ukwu, ọ ga-abịara gị. Is about back to sender. Nụ hapụkwa n'anya aka ka anyị kuru mmiri ṅụọ tọwa iko. You know, do your own, let me do my own. Ekekwara na ọrụ eke. Gaa lụọ nke gị, anya ka Disney n'ebe ọlụ onye nke ọzọ. O nwere onye na-eri nke ibi ya. I'm telling you, ihe ọbụla edowere gị wụ nke gị, onye ọzọ ga-eri nke gị. So stop like trying to occupy your own and occupy another person's space. You cannot do your job and do another person's job. You can only do your own. If you don't want another person to do his own, Chineke anapụghị nke iji eji. If you remove my name because you feel you have the power, authority, and you decide to remove my name, remove me from what God has given me, from a position that has been given to me, I am telling you, God will remove you from every places of your honor. It's the saying of God, not me. Me na chumado. Chineke ina chumado. Chineke na ahụ gị. Mgbe na-enwe ihe mmadụ mere gị, gị na-achụgharịa. There are people who see people and hate the person. If I've not done anything to you before, you just see me and hate me. Why will you do that? Because now selege, if ikilibem kine kili TV. Hey, as na Mario menka. I've never offended you before. You will learn so give them. Yes, when I see in a bem. Kefin and Elum. Mahisin and Nachogo. Oh, Otutu mad, Hachok, we chok what I have a carrier. Hage boots or chogoku. It was a fascinating at Parifa. Hey, oh, wet Baliam. Better give a bruise or monia insults. Give a bruise or webulionia. O me pensionu. Ndị na-agba ọtụtụ agbaba ọtụtụ. Hey, kwesịrị iwe kparịa ịmakwa position, ịmakwa onye ọ bụ, ịmakwa title ya. Mana ị ga-afụ mmadụ, ọ na-ejehie ụzọ. Ọ na-akpali onwe, especially na social media. Ịmasị ya kwanyere onwe ya ugwu. Onye ọ na-akpali megharịzi ọnụ, isi ịmakwa onye ọ na-agwa okwu. Ị akwanyere n'onwe gị ugwu ka e wee kwanyere gị ugwu. If you really respect your position, if you really respect your personality, if you really respect your title, you have to respect yourself. If you don't respect yourself, people gonna insult you, people gonna abuse you, people gonna reduce you to the dust. And don't go for the bronya here na choku gagwa goku. No mazu ya. Ibia na page mpariam ifu makam aliwalagi ebe obini even idere something ifu ha puta choba go okwu. So onye chose no okwu onye obuna kwanyere onwe ugwu na ọrụ onwe. Yes. So I am so happy for all of you that follow me, that love me for real. Share this message. I love you all. Meaning is come end there. Oh, one. I love you. God bless you.